Oke, bentar. Oke, mulai. Susah loh. Astagfirullah.
Mau ngapain?
Oke, dimulai ya.
Juga sama.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning all. First of all, let use thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, because of His blessing we are able to come here to join in this English meeting. Everyone, the presentation today is about curriculum vitae of our CV. Now I will read one by one. Sorry. Now we will read one by one our agenda today. First, the presentation is Dina Khalifatunisa to Khali. Please present.
Curriculum vitae is an overview of your life achievement. The CV that is must show credibility and be attractive because the CV functions as a self-identity. With an attractive CV, you can convince potential employers that you are a qualified candidate for the job. This is a way to show that you can contribute to the company with relevant experience. To prepare a successfully CV it is possible to look at various examples of CVs so you know how to review, summarize, and clearly present your experience and achievement. Next. Important aspects of a CV include personal data, contains your name, address, telephone number, and email address. Education list the names of the institute you attended with the year. Work experience, so relevant work experience if you are a recent graduate, list volunteering, part-time internship, self-employment, odd jobs, and so on.
Important aspect of a CV include skill or ability. This information contains what skill you can do. Additional information. This section will be important in proving to the recruiter that knowledge and skills are recognized. For example, by listing achievement, certification, portfolio link, and personal website links. And civic function. This is function is to convince the employer that you have the skills needed to do the job. The CV is stable for fresh graduates and people who want to change jobs to different field from their previous work.
Next to Dina Apriani.
Benefits the benefits of a curriculum vitae are to explain personal information, personal data, and so on. With a CV, everyone who reads and checks someone's CV will be able to know and examine each person from the personal information that has been given, and can give a person's picture through activities or from his specification in education and organization. In other words, the benefits of a CV explains self-criteria in text form. Types of curriculum vitae. In addition to discussing in its function, the curriculum vitae has other types that you must know. See the following explanation. First, CV based on terms. CV based on the professions will be determined by the company, institution, agency, or agency that will recruitment employees. A CV based on the professions is used in every job application, whether for civil servants or PNS, the military, state-owned enterprise or BUMN, or companies that have standardized their own CV in the form of a form or blank. CV is based CV is based on the profession are generally filled out by application will be given by the company either by post, email, or while you are at the company. CV based on the form will usually be archived for job application, both accept and not accept.
Okay, the next is type of curriculum vitae. Second, CV by purpose. Curriculum vitae based on purpose made specifically for the target company or file of work that is focused. There are, therefore, all things that are not related to the purpose do not need to be written in the CV. In addition, in writing a curriculum vitae based on objective, it must have clear object and succinct information regarding this object. Next, three, skill-based curriculum vitae. This type of CV is more focused on skill than work experience. Its function is to convince the employer that the application has the skill needs graduate and people who want to change jobs to different fields from their previous work. Choose a curriculum vitae that suits each applicant because basically there are various concepts and types of CVs. Each of these highlight what should be highlighted to get a certain position. Next. To example CV, any uh, his name, contact person, and summary to self and skill and experience and education. So finally we are come to this agenda. We would like to we would like to say thanks again for the presentation and all of the audience for active participation. Hopefully, the presentation will give benefit for us. Thank you for your attendance. See you later.